Hi everyone! For those who are visiting Japan for first time, or those who want to see other parts of Japan other than Osaka, Tokyo, and Kyoto, you want to see both Osaka and Tokyo. Let's go to Japan for 10 days or more. If you so, the most important things to do is change the arrival and departure point when you fly to Japan to save time and save money. If you are booking for flight yourself, first look for the multiple stop setting. In this example, we have chosen to arrive in Tokyo and depart from Osaka, but you can also arrive in Osaka or depart from Tokyo. Tips 2. Japan's luggage transportation service Takayama is the reliable service unless there is a natural disaster. Make good use of the Takayama and travel light. Normally, hotel reception accept delivery service, but please note that it is difficult to use delivery service on the Airbnb. More detail, check another video. Tips 3. Find out when you can make a reservation. Make sure you can cancel and make your reservation earlier. In Japan, you need some cash. Carry some cash are recommended. Get it somewhere with a good rate. Tips 4. Check out bus tours. There are also bus tours in English and other languages. We recommend traveling on bus tour. Renting car is also convenient if you are only confident in driving. Please remember to bring your international driving license. A new app like this has been created for the people from overseas to use the Shinkansen. My friends say it's convenient to use. I haven't used it yet, but why not check it out? At the end of this video, there are more information that I didn't talk about, so please watch until the end. We will continue to share information about travel in Japan, so please subscribe to our channel. Let's go to the main story. Today we will introduce Tokyo, Kanazawa, Shirakawa-go, Takayama, and Osaka. This route is probably the golden route, which is often introduced on tours. Here we introduce how to get there, how to make a reservation, and things to see. First of all, Tokyo. Tokyo has two airports, Narita Airport and Haneda Airport. Haneda Airport is closer to Tokyo. It takes about 40 minutes from Tokyo by limousine bus. Narita Airport to Tokyo Station, it takes 1 to 1.5 hours. There are limousine bus and Narita Express. Be careful as the taxis are long distance and expensive. Next, we recommend visiting Mount Fuji while staying in Tokyo. Mount Fuji sightseeing is famous around Lake Kawaguchi. To sightseeing around Lake Kawaguchiko, if you take the train, you will need to change train, so we recommend taking the bus from the Shinjuku bus terminal, since you don't have to change. If you look on the internet, you will find that there are bus tours in English, so a day trip bus tour is also recommended. And sightseeing in Hakone is also a great place to enjoy Mount Fuji. For sightseeing in Hakone, one-day bus tours are available from Tokyo. But if you purchase Hakone Free Pass on the Odakyu line from Shinjuku, you can enjoy the mountain train, Hakone Tozan bus, cable car, sightseeing boat, Hakone ropeway, etc. But if you use Limited Express Hakone Romance car, it's available at an additional charge. Cost of the Hakone Free Pass, check. If you add 1,090 yen Romance car express fare to the Hakone Free Pass, you can use it. although a romance car reservation are required. Next, after enjoying Tokyo, take the Shinkansen to Kanazawa. Tokyo to Kanazawa by Shinkansen, one way, it takes 2 hours and 30 minutes. Non-reserved seat 13,850 yen. Reserved seat are 14,580 yen. Tsuzumi-mon is a new symbol built in the East Plaza of JR Kanazawa Station. Ken Rokuen Garden in Kanazawa is considered one of the Japan's top 3 gardens. Enjoy fresh seafood and local food at Omicho Market, about 10 minutes walk from the station. Second stop on the bus, 230 yen per bus ride. Ticket for unlimited ride for 1 day are available. Kanazawa Castle and Chaya District. Chaya Tea House is an exclusive type of restaurant where the guests are entertained by geisha who perform song and dance during the Edo period. 1603 to 1868, Chaya were found in the designated entertainment district. When traveling from Kanazawa to Shirakawa-go, I strongly recommend that you send your suitcase by courier service from your hotel in Kanazawa to your hotel in Osaka. Carry only what you need for the few days in a small bag. You can send it within a week by setting the date and time. For instruction on how to fill out the application form, follow this, or if not sure, ask the hotel staff to help. Own name, and don't forget to enter the hotel's name in the address field. Then call the destination hotel and let them know what day your luggage will be arrived at the hotel. Access from Kanazawa to Shirakawa-go is by bus or rental car. Shirakawa-go is a World Heritage Village, a place you should visit at least once. There are several bus tours in Shirakawa-go, so do some research on the internet and choose the one that suits you best. We recommend staying in Takayama at end of the tour, but if you don't have time, you can also return to Kanazawa after a day of sightseeing. If you don't want to take a tour and want to sightsee on your own, check out Nohi Bus. Nohi Bus is the bus that covers this area. There are also tours offered by Nohi Bus. Check. Move from Shirakawa-go to Takayama by bus. Takayama called Hida Takayama in Gifu Prefecture. The heart of Takayama City, the Senmachi area is preserved buildings, attract tourists from all over the country. You could spend the whole day wandering those old streets, buying souvenirs from the many craft shops, sampling local tea and digging into the local treat like a Wagyu sushi. A number of sake breweries are also located in around the Sanmachi district, and tasting is possible. We will go from Takayama to Osaka. There are 4 main methods. The first one is 1 train a day, no need to change, straight to Osaka. Limited Express Hida. Another 2 ways to go to Osaka are from Takayama to Nagoya by train or bus, from Nagoya to Osaka by Shinkansen, or night bus from Takayama to Osaka. I suggest another sample plan, including Kamikochi from Takayama. In May to very early November, if time permits, you have the option to visiting Kamikochi in the Japanese Alps. 45 minutes from Takayama by Nohi bus to Hirayu Akandana parking lot, and need to change to another bus. Private cars are restricted from the Hirayu Akandana parking lot to Kamikochi, so only buses are available. Hirayu Akandana parking to Kamikochi are 30 minutes by bus. Total 1 hour 15 minutes from Takayama to Kamikochi. Enjoy Kamikochi on the day trip, overnight stay, or camping trip. There are also direct buses from the Kamikochi to Osaka and Kyoto. There are 2 buses a day from Kamikochi to Osaka, 1 bus per day to Kyoto Station. For those looking to save on hotel cost, look at Toyoko Inn, which include free breakfast. Reservation can be made by Toyoko Inn member up to 6 months in advance. Non-member can apply for 3 months in advance. Or upper hotels. The rooms are small, but this is a business hotel that operates nationwide. My recommendation is Toyoko Inn, Shinjuku Gyoen-mae, Exit 3. This hotel sells out quickly, so I wait in front of my computer until after 12 Japan time and make a reservation when reservation open. Dormy Inn is a business hotel with hot spring and operates nationwide. The room is small, but the paid breakfast is also great. If you find a good deal, recommend Dormy Inn Ikebukuro. Hotel Metropolitan Tokyo Ikebukuro is a luxury hotel. This is one of the hotels where the bus from the airport stops right in front. This hotel is located near Kanazawa Station. Room size is 15 to 20 square meters. The price is reasonable. There's a charge for breakfast, but you can eat local cuisine. ANA Holiday Inn Kanazawa Sky is located right in front of Omicho Market, making it convenient for people who want to enjoy the morning market early in the morning. Oyado Yamakyu in Takayama is a popular inn where you can enjoy Japanese inn and luxury meal at a low price. They also speak English, and you can even experience hot spring. Although it is a bit far from the station, there is a shuttle service to the station, so you can explore the city on foot. Although not introduced here, if you want to save money, we recommend Toyoko Inn Namba area and Toyoko Inn Abeno Tennoji, although they are small. Namba area, Oriental Hotel Namba. Hotel located to Namba are very convenient. Hotel Ilcrow Namba. Hotel Grizzly Osaka Namba. Daiwa Roynet Hotel Osaka Uehonmachi. This hotel near Uehonmachi Station is cheaper than Namba, although it is the second station from Namba. It is close to the airport limousine and supermarket, making it a calm hotel close to Namba. Miyako City, Osaka Tennoji. This hotel is located in the Tennoji Abenobashi area and connected to Tennoji Station. There are limousine and train available for convenience access to the airport. If you are looking for the backpackers, check out the area Dobutsu-en-mae or Shin-Imamiya area. This area is close to Shinsekai and has many cheap accommodations. Many accommodations have shared toilet and bath, and many have kitchen where you can cook your own meal. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you plan your trip. See you next video.